Hi, I'm Val from the Sonoma Test Kitchen. I'm so excited to introduce to you the new Instant Pot Max. It cooks hotter and faster than ever before, thanks to the revolutionary new technology of a top pressure setting of 15 psi. That means it cooks about 15% faster than your traditional pressure cooker. Let's check out the Instant Pot Max in action by whipping up the classic takeout dish, Indian yellow curry. First what I'm going to do is open my Instant Pot and set it to the saute mode. You want to make sure it's set for a good amount of time so that you have enough time to sear your chicken. Then I'm going to add a little bit of oil. You're going to let the oil heat up for about 3 to 5 minutes. What's so great about the Instant Pot Max is that along with all the features we know and love, it also has all these new features that are great for making some complicated kitchen projects super foolproof. Now that my oil is hot enough, I'm going to add some boneless, skinless chicken. You're also going to lightly season it with some kosher salt. You can see how fast the chicken is browning, so it's perfect for a quick weeknight meal. Now that my last batch of chicken is sauteed, I'm going to return the rest of the sauteed chicken to the Instant Pot. Being able to saute and pressure cook in the same pot really maximizes on tenderness and flavor of the chicken. And to make things even easier, I'm going to use a Instant Pot starter sauce developed right here in the Sonoma Test Kitchen. This starter is great because it combines all the elements of your classic yellow curry in one jar. Now that everything's in the Instant Pot, I'm going to close the lid, press pressure cook, set the timer to 8 minutes, make sure it's set for high pressure, press start, and the Instant Pot will do the rest. And thanks to the Instant Pot Max's new feature of an automatic venting system, the pressure will release by itself when the cook time is over, so you don't have to worry about sticking your hand in the steam. Okay, great, looks like my curry is done. Wow, this smells so good. All I need to do now to serve up this curry is to add some rice that I made in my Instant Pot earlier, and some of my favorite garnishes like cashews, some chilies, and some fresh herbs. A nice rip of naan, and a cold beer. And dinner is served. To learn more about the Instant Pot Max and to get the recipe, head over to williamsonoma.com.